Looking for anything to pass the time. Won't you